Today we're going to show you how to set up your RLS2400 foldable laptop stand. This is perfect for holding your laptop for DJ sets, recording setups, live performances, and much more. As you can see, you'll get the foldable stand itself, the additional shelf to place in the middle of the stand to use for additional pieces of gear, and a carry bag to bring the stand to any gig or event. So the setup for the stand is really simple. You'll just want to press down on the locking pin here to release the arms of the stand on the top, and lift the arms up till the pin snaps the bar back into place. Then you're going to want to do the same thing with the legs of the stand, except you'll pull the legs down till the pin snaps the bar back into place. Now over here you'll notice 3 different sets of slots in the middle. This is actually what we're going to be using for the additional shelf to the stand. So you can pick either higher or lower or right in between where you want to position the additional shelf. You're going to line that shelf up to these slots and then just push this right into place. This additional shelf is perfect for smaller pieces of gear like headphone amps, line mixers, and interfaces. And then the last step is just to place your laptop on the top like this, and now you're ready to go and use it for whatever setup you might need. Now the stand can easily be refolded to bring on the go. You'll just want to take the shelf out, push down on those locking pins to release the arms and legs of the stand, and then fold them like this until the pin locks them into the folded position. And then we can put the stand and shelf into the carry bag to take on the go. So hopefully this video showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RLS2400 foldable laptop stand. But of course, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support tech team through phone or email. We'll see you guys in the next one.